Welcome to Guru Krupa Exports, a leading diamond jewelry manufacturer with a legacy of over 60 years in the diamond industry. Our journey began with a small room of 8 by 8 feet, and with our passion for excellence, we have become the market leader in the diamond jewelry industry. Our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction has been our driving force over the years. Our managing director, Mr. Jayanti by Romani, is a visionary who has led the company to new heights with his innovative ideas and sound decision-making. His thought processes are fueled by his extensive experience in the diamond jewelry industry and has always been committed to staying ahead of the curve.
નમસ્તે, હું જયંતિ રામાણી, મેનેજિંગ ડાયરેક્ટર ગુરુકૃપા એક્સપોર્ટ. ડાયમંડ જ્વેલરી ક્ષેત્રમાં 25 વર્ષના લાંબા અનુભવ બાદ અમે યુએસ માર્કેટમાં પગ માંડી રહ્યા છીએ. એ અમારા માટે એક માઇલસ્ટોન છે. ટ્રસ્ટ, ક્વોલિટી અને લોંગ ટર્મ રિલેશનશિપ, આ ત્રણ મૂલ્યો ઉપર આજ સુધી અમે અડગ રહીને ધંધો કર્યો છે અને આવનાર સમયમાં યુએસ માર્કેટમાં નવા ક્લાયન્ટ સાથે જોડાઈને આ મૂલ્યોની યાત્રા અમે લાંબી બનાવવા ઈચ્છીએ છીએ. આપના સહકારની અપેક્ષા. ધન્યવાદ.
In our pursuit of excellence, we have established ARLO as our subsidiary company in the US, with the vision of Mr. Gaurang Ramani as CEO to showcase our finest and exquisite product line inspired by the culture in the United States. We aim to expand our reach and provide our customers with an unforgettable experience of diamond jewelry that not only looks beautiful, but also stands the test of time. Our product line is diverse and ranges from bridal collections to fine jewelry collections, and exclusive products such as crowns for beauty pageant, diamond-studded iPhones, pens, and watches. Our bridal collection is a celebration of love, elegance, and sophistication. Each piece is intricately designed to capture the essence of a bride's special day. From classic diamond necklaces to modern diamond earrings, our bridal collection has something for every bride to be. That's why our highly skilled team of more than 100 CAD designers help us to offer and execute customization options that allow brides to create their own bespoke jewelry that is tailored to their taste. Our fine jewelry collection is a perfect blend of skilled craftsmanship and contemporary design. Each piece is crafted with the finest quality of diamonds, gemstones, and precious metals, making it a statement piece that can be cherished for generations. Whether it's a diamond pendant or a diamond bracelet, our fine jewelry collection is sure to leave you mesmerized. In addition to these collections, we also offer a range of exquisite products such as diamond-studded brooches and cufflinks. These products are perfect choice for gifting or adding a touch of glamour to any outfit. At ARLO, we believe that every piece of jewelry should be crafted with a conscience. That's why we adhere to the highest ethical standards of GIA and IGI in diamond sourcing and manufacturing. Our diamonds are conflict-free, and our manufacturing process is eco-friendly. We take pride in creating jewelry that not only looks good, but also does good. We invite you to experience the world of ARLO, where excellence meets creativity. Whether you're looking for bridal, fine, or wedding jewelry, we have something for every occasion. So, come and explore the beauty of our jewelry and be a part of our family.